Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I wanted to talk to you and kind of explain it a little bit because I know there's going to be some questions and concerns and things of that nature, but I wanted to talk a little bit about why I'm getting this procedure done, what it is, and all that. Pretty much, I was contacted by Laserway because I worked with them before doing laser hair removal, and I did a review on that. And they contacted me again and was like, hey, do you want to work with us again? Do you want to try Coolsculpting? And I was like, sure, I'll try a Coolsculpting. I have no idea what it is, but I'll try it. So I looked it up, and pretty much it will be explained once the video gets started, but I just want to explain why personally I'm doing it. My channel is a mess, but I focus a lot on beauty, fashion, makeup, whatever. And I recently had been talking about body issues and how I haven't been able to eat and all that, etc. So I know there's going to be some questions about that aspect, but lately I've gotten my appetite back. I've been starting to eat again, and I want to start eating healthier and getting more in shape and exercising in a good way, not just not eating and all that, because that's not healthy, that's not okay. So when I was contacted about Coolsculpting, I was like, this is my jump start into that lifestyle. And two, when I researched it, there's a lot of information about what it is, but there's not a lot of information about the after effects, the procedure, the everything. So I really wanted to do a full comprehensive review on it, of the recovery, the procedure, the everything. So, ooh, you look good. Because when I looked up, is it painful? What's the after effects? There wasn't much posted about that. I wanted to show you guys what comes along with it. So this is gonna be, I'm about to leave for my appointment in about an hour, and so I'll be filming while it's happening, and then up to however long it takes me to recover. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get into this video.
Our hands are freezing. Yeah, pull down just a little bit so I can see the whole area. Yeah, my hands are being pulled. I have to grab it. Make sure you have enough fat. So are you looking right here?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so you're a perfect candidate because you are thin everywhere and just have these couple little bulges of fat that just probably won't go with diet and exercise, I'm assuming. Yeah, you're fine. You don't really have enough.
Because I have, these ones tone really well.
Yeah,
And then right
it's
here,
just this one's so stubborn.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll just do one like this. We always do it in a V shape to maintain the hourglass figure. So we'll do one. We can't do one straight across because there's a little tendon that runs right here, and if we take too much fat away, it indents, makes it a little butt.
Ooh,
We don't want that.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we have to do one like this and then one like that, and that way we'll get all of this and then all of that.
And then how exactly does it work? It just freezes it, right?
Yes, so yeah, for a lack of a quick term, yes. So what happens is the applicator has a vacuum in it, so that it'll go up against your skin. We put a gel pad on that protects your skin from frostbite. Then the vacuum suction turns on, sucks the fat into the applicator, and then it starts cooling. So the gel pad again protects your skin, and then the cooling goes deeper. It creates little ice crystals inside our fat cells, which then disrupts the normal cellular functions, so they die. They commit cell suicide because they're damaged. Yeah, it's so sad, but good.
But
You hate that, yeah. So they are killed off, and then their little cell bodies are filtered out by our immune system. So we're actually killing and actually losing physical fat cells versus just shrinking them with diet and exercise.
So as I take photos of you, have your arms up like that, yeah. And then inhale, and when you exhale is when I'm gonna take the photo of you, okay?
Getting personal today, guys.
Okay. Inhale, exhale. I'm gonna prep your skin. So I'm gonna take a wipe, I'm gonna wipe the area down really well. And then I take this broken up fat, you actually have to wait for your body to kind of like get rid of. Your body has to metabolize it. You basically like pee and sweat it out. I have to ask you like any possibility of pregnancy or breastfeeding. Okay. Comfy? I'm gonna start. I'm gonna hang out in here for a couple minutes. Just, you know, in case you feel weird. You shouldn't, but it's fine.
Sorry, it's like it's just I can't really talk loud because it's making me flex my stomach and I can't move my stomach. But pretty much it right now it's like freezing me. And it just feels really weird. It's not like unbearable yet, but it's very uncomfortable. Like update, we're about like 7 minutes in and I'm completely numb and I don't feel anything. So the beginning part of it is kind of painful. It's like when you put ice on you and you leave the ice on and it hurts, so you immediately take it off. It's like getting past that point, it doesn't, I don't feel it. So oh, that feels so weird.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it feels so weird.
Yeah. Be really sensitive. Just breathe through the massage, okay? And your body's just adjusting to like the warm temperature, so it's gonna feel weird. Just breathe through it and wiggle your toes, okay?
Oh wait. It tickles. Hold on.
You wanna hold my hand?
Yeah. Ow.
Just like my hand. It's like the most important part.
Does it hurt?
It tickles so bad. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm trying not to make
It's okay. I'm not gonna stop, okay? Unless like you're in bad pain and you tell me to stop.
Sorry. It hurts and tickles at the same time.
You need to let your legs down.
Yeah, breathe.
Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
I know. I told you this is the worst part. It's telling you to applicate it. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Almost done, okay?
Yo, this camera is so cool.
Okay.
Oh my god, that sucked.
I'm just gonna do a little bit of manual massage now, okay? So there might be a chance that you'll feel like pins and needles right now. That's just your area adjusting to the warm temperature.
Oh, I really want to pee.
Do you want to go pee?
No.
Oh, okay.
You know when you get tickled?
Yeah,
It's
so
like
like
you pee.
yeah. I will pee their pants.
People have to pee their pants.
Not here.
Oh.
I'm just saying when they get tickled. I have yet to see it. It could happen.
I felt like I was gonna.
No,
Evacuate the area.
no judgment here. I'm
Yo, this camera is so cool.
It feels weird. It's like, you know, like when you put your finger in your belly button and you feel that in your like vagina.
Inside, yeah.
I know that weird feeling. You know what I mean, love? Like, have you ever
I feel
seen
like only people who try it know. Then once you're done with this whole treatment, you might get some like muscle twitches for the next week or so. Just massage it with your hand. You can take Advil or ibuprofen if you have muscle ache.
This bit just hurts right now.
Yeah, that's completely normal. It's like pins and needles, right?
Or it's like a tense like.
Yeah, it's completely normal.
You're about to have any exercise.
Hi guys, I'm editing this right now and I just wanted to like give you an update. I was gonna update you in the morning, but it's 9:49. I got this done at 2:30 and I'm just starting to feel side effects right now. My stomach, I guess, is coming back from being numb and it's a really weird feeling. It feels like mushy inside. Like when I move, it makes like a weird creaking sound. It like grosses me out. But I'll keep you updated, and tomorrow when I wake up, I'll let you know how I feel. Right now I don't really feel sore. I've gotten one like little sharp pain and now it's just like that weird, it's just like a really cringy feeling. I don't know, it just like feels gross and I'm like freaking myself out. But that's a little update for right now. Hi guys, so it is 2 days after I got my Coolsculpting done. Yesterday, as you guys saw from when I was editing, I started feeling pain that night. Yesterday I was in quite a bit of pain, but I just took some ibuprofens and it's manageable unless you touch it. It's still pretty numb, but it's a little swollen right now, so I don't know, it's pretty numb, so I can go like this and I don't feel anything, but if I apply any pressure it hurts. Like it feels like, you know, you just did like 10,000 ab workouts or sit-ups or something, but it's not horrible. And they said the best results come in 12 weeks, so if you guys want, I'm gonna start doing like updates of when I see updates, and on the 12th week I can show you guys the difference. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure you guys thumbs this video up, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video.